Transform4Europe, the European university consisting of 10 universities, one associated partner with over 160,000 students and almost 20,000 employees. With so many of us, it's only natural that we want to get to know one another. That's why we are developing a wide range of initiatives that extend our educational offer, including the T4EU Bachelor tracks and PhD tracks, as well as micro-credentials and T4EU Chair Programme, along with T4EU Visiting Professorship. Undertakings in other spheres are exemplified by Professional Development Programme for non-academic staff, the T4EU Green Campus or the T4EU GLAM Plus network. We organized Transform4Europe weeks, PhD conferences and summer schools, full of lectures, workshops and team-building meetings. We also learn new languages. We are strengthening cooperation between our regions. Our collaboration seeks to transform education, research and community engagement. The T4EU Alliance is a vibrant community full of cultural diversity. Despite our differences, we stand together with one vision, working on our significant goals. Transform4Europe, the European University, boosts the European spirit.